This is Fern for Gboxcanada.com, and today we're going to show you how to install the fully configured XBMC backup. First thing to do is to come to our website here, Gboxcanada.com, and just by mousing over support you'll see the troubleshooting and fixes here. So you just click on that and it will take you to the right page. Here, after it loads up a little bit, you just scroll down past the videos and you'll see the fully configured XBMC backup right here. And these are the written instructions. First thing to do is to basically download the file that we offer here on the first instruction, mediafire.com, and just to let you know that the numbers here at the end will change as we do update this once in a while. But for now, we are working with the 2014-0425.zip. So you want to click on that and download it, save the file to somewhere where you'll be where it will be easy to find. So we start the download. It says here it'll take 9 minutes. To save a little time on the video, we already have a version here saved on our desktop, and this is the zipped folder. As you can see, it's written the same numbers here, 2014-0425. So it is in zip format right now. It has to be unzipped before being put on the SD card. So to do that, on most computers, depending on the programming that you have, the best way is simply to just right click and click on Extract All. So once you start that, it'll ask you where, most likely where you want to put the new file, and here we're going to put it right on the desktop too. So we just click Extract, and since this is a pretty big folder, it might take some time. Just the same with the download and the transfer to the SD card once we're done. But right now we are simply unzipping the folder. So we got 60 seconds remaining here, and we'll be back right when it's pretty much done. So we've got about 10 seconds left on the unzip folder here. So 5 seconds remaining. And here we go. Once you've unzipped the file, you'll see that there are 3 items here. You should have a file called add-ons, one called user data, and a file called XBMC backup.val. So, and all 3 of these should be in the folder called 2014-0425, the unzipped format. So here we have the zipped one and the unzipped one, and inside of this file you'll see these 3 files. So we can close that, and you want to copy this the unzipped file to your SD card. So you just plug in your SD card into your computer. Here you can open the folder to view, and as you can see, we have an empty SD card here. Just right click, copy, and then right click on the file here and paste. Now this is a pretty big file. Depending on the speed of your computer, it might take a few minutes. So we've obviously skipped ahead a little bit here, since the transfer to the SD card did take about 9 minutes on this computer. Depending on the computer, that time will definitely vary. But as you can see, the SD card now has the folder 2014-0425 on it. And if we click on here, you'll see that we have the add-ons, user data, and XBMC backup.val in that folder. So here now we can just remove the SD card from the computer, and we will now move on to the Gbox. Okay, so we've moved over to our Gbox here, and first thing we want to do is just plug in the SD card into the SD card slot of our box right here. And once that's plugged in, the procedure you want to follow is to, of course, give the chance to let XBMC run for a little bit so that the updates will all get done. And once the updates have slowed down, you can go to Programs and press OK. You'll probably see the first run help here. Then we go to Program Add-ons. And here the file is empty. So we go to Get More so that we can install the XBMC backup program. It's all in alphabetical order, so I find it faster to go up instead of down. And XBMC backup is right there. All you have to do is press OK when it's highlighted. And the install option will be right there. Press OK once again to install, and it's just a short wait for it to download and enable itself. Once your XBMC backup is enabled, you can press the return button to go back to the previous menu. And from here, what we want to do now is to let the box know where the information is on the card. To do that, you have to press the blue menu button on your remote right here with XBMC backup highlighted. So we press the blue menu button, and then here you go to Add-on Settings. Press OK. From here, we go to Browse Remote Path, and once again press OK. Then we follow the proper path, which is external storage again, SD card 1, and once we've reached the 2014-0425 file here, you want to press the left arrow key so that the OK on screen turns blue. Once the OK on the screen turns blue, you press the OK button on the remote, which returns you to the previous menu, but now you see the file path. And from here, you go down to the OK on screen, press OK on the remote, and we're back to the XBMC backup, but now the program knows where to find the information that we just downloaded to our card. From here, all you need to do is press the OK button. It'll open up the XBMC backup mode, which will either let you create a backup or restore. We want to restore. And here you'll see the date that the backup was created on. Press OK once more, and there you go. This will restore the backup to your box and load up all the programs that we have on the card. Thank you and good luck.